And after a judge's video conference today, we now know next week's trial for the movie Rust may hinge on an enduring mystery. How did live ammunition find its way onto that set? Actor Alec Baldwin fired that weapon during filming the Western in 2021, killing cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Defense attorneys for weapons supervisor Hannah Gutierrez-Reed filing a series of last-minute challenges trying to narrow evidence and actually block criminal charges. Our legal contributor and trial attorney and also author of Come Home Safe has been following the story for us, Brian Buckmeyer. Brian, so investigators recovered these 6 live rounds of ammunition on the set of Rust. So how exactly will prosecutors, use this evidence now against Gutierrez-Reed?
Well, Kira, prosecutors are going to go about this by proving that this was gross negligence. Don't forget, this is involuntary manslaughter. This isn't that Hannah Gutierrez-Reed intended for Halyna Hutchins or anyone else to be injured or killed on that set. And what they're trying to paint is this picture of a very negligent armorer researching bullets, ammunition, somehow getting that ammunition onto a set that it should never have been on. There's even talk of trying to bring in her own drug use to show that she was just not on her best game, so to speak, that day. And that negligence, not just having the bullet in the chamber of that gun, but in other areas of that set long before the October 21st shooting of Halyna Hutchins, that this proves gross negligence.
So how will the indictment against Alec Baldwin for involuntary manslaughter play a role here in the armorer's trial?
I would expect that the prosecution would not bring it up all that much, but for the defense, they're going to use it as a way to point the finger at another defendant. Alec Baldwin wears multiple hats on the Rust set. He's not just the lead actor, he's also the producer. And part of Gutierrez-Reed's defense is that this is a chaotic kind of movie set where corners were cut and funding was not where it needed to be, and that where Hannah Gutierrez-Reed said that more steps needed to be taken in order to make sure this was a safe set, that ultimately the person in charge was Alec Baldwin. So his indictment might be used as a way to point a finger, but if she's convicted, Alec Baldwin will probably do the same and say, you know what, she was responsible, she was found guilty, she took care of the gun, look at all the facts that came out in that trial, I'm not guilty. So they'll be able to point the finger at each other.
All right, Brian, well, we're going to follow it for sure. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.